LeChat Mistral app. So here is the app. It's a European alternative to ChatGPT or to DeepSeek. It was just released by Mistral AI, which is like one of the biggest French like European AI companies. I think is the biggest AI model developer in Europe. So now they have their own standalone AI chat app. You can get it. It doesn't have that many reviews yet in the US App Store, but it's getting traction in European Union as a kind of EU alternative. It's your personal AI assistant. Find answers, generate images, scan documents, read the news, and be more productive. The chat helps you enjoy life more fully. It's a comprehensive AI assistant designed to enhance both your personal life and professional work. It combines the power of advanced AI with extensive information sourced from the web and high-quality journalistic sources. Is speed, powered by high-performance low-latency Mistral AI and the faster inference engines in the world. LeChat can reason, reflect, and respond faster than any other chat assistant. It's available through Flash Answers features. It's also incredibly well informed. Recent information. It has a lot of like real-time search, web search. It has upload processing capabilities in the industry, top-tier vision and optical character recognition (OCR). You can generate, also photorealistic images, translating languages, checking weather, reading nutrition labels. So yep, that's basically what you have in here. So let's just open it up. Let's see here. So I don't even need to create an account. So I just write in here just like that. So here you can just so it's quite fast, as you can see. Just the first response is quite slow, and then you can just create any chats. And then if you wanna start using it in powerful mode, you need to go and create it just like that. So to create an account in LeChat, just tap sign in with Apple, Google, or Microsoft, or you can use a password, and then basically you can just do it like this. And then that's it, super fast. And then that's your account. You can delete your account. You can switch workspaces, like switch accounts. You can see, change the theme, light or dark. You can just see about, log out, and that's it. So super kind of minimalistic menu. Then you can upload a picture, take a picture. So let's see. So something like that, as you can see in here. And then you're just creating new chats. If you were not signed in, your chats were not saved. So yeah, previous chats were not saved. Now, if you are signed in, obviously your chats are saved. Can it create videos? Unable to create videos. So let's see if it can search. If it can search the web. So it's taken some time. So it seems it's not that fast as it claims to be, honestly. So it's just, usually in ChatGPT, it's already like generating the response for that in a free version. But let's see. Like for the, for simple replies, I need to say it's quite fast. Just the first reply is taking some time. I don't know where they're loading something, and then it's quite fast. Now it's kind of becoming glitchy. You can see that it's still generating, still loading. Why is that? So Sims is just basically bugged out, and now I can't. So I can't stop it. Now I can just start a new conversation. Uh, well, something is fishy. It's appeared unexpected issue has occurred. We apologize. So yeah, probably it's. I'm trying this on a Monday. Seems on a month like it's quite buggy. So now it's working. So yeah, as you can see, that's just what is generating. Um, that's where it is. So as you can see, that's where you have it. Um, but I don't see like the web search. I don't see the links, for example. And now it's searching the web. There is no specific button. There is no specific button to enable the web or not. So it seems I just need to specify it, and then I just see sources. And then it just basically scrapes the internet, I guess. So that's the idea. So as you can see, a lot of people trying out this app. So seems, it's similar as with early days of ChatGPT. It was quite buggy, and this app right now it's quite buggy. However, the reviews are quite good, like fast, great app, great models. There is also no voiceover. There is no voice. Excellent, smart, and people say yeah, it's fast. So that's a quite feature, and it's also free. So that's obviously another great thing. So here you have it. That's what it is. So it's free. You don't have a button to upgrade. You don't have like pro model or anything like that. So it's just a free chat. Let's see how it develops. There is no voice chat in here, unfortunately. Some additional settings. In ChatGPT apps, they have this really nice like kind of phone vibrations, and ChatGPT app, I think, yeah, it's better built. But this is a nice, good start. Let's see how it develops. Seems this is just cool app, especially if you're in Europe and you wanted to support European tech. That's a pretty cool app to install. So try it out.